Hello, do you own a job shop with CNC lathes? Job shops often struggle with losing customer orders due to inaccurate cycle time estimates. If the estimates are too low, it leads to unprofitable business, and if they are too high, job quotes become overpriced, resulting in lost business. Even if a job shop wins a bid, the challenge shifts to creating a part program that can make the part within quoted cycle times. Hiring full-time programmers is expensive, and part-time programmers are not reliable. Additionally, while good programmers ensure dimensionally correct parts, they can never guarantee lowest cycle times and good profits. What if you had a software that can precisely calculate the machining cycle time for a turn part specific to your model of CNC lathe, ensuring your job quotes are 100% accurate? That's not all. What if the software also generates a flawless program aligning with the cycle time that you specified in your quotation? And the part programs that are first-time right, with shortest tool path and zero accidents, all accomplished within just 15 minutes. With one click of a button. This is no magic, this is for real. Watch this video till the end. If you were to make a job quotation for a forged auto part like this, it has 4 operations: rough turning, finish turning, grooving and drilling. All you need to do is, step number 1, draw the part shape or import a drawing file. Tell the software which is the raw material and which is part shape. In step number 2, for rough turning operation, pick a PCLNL tool from the tool database and tell the tool where to rough turn on the part. For finish turning operation, pick a PDJNL tool from the tool database and tell the tool where to finish turn on the part. To do the grooving operation, pick a grooving tool and select the groove on the part. To do drilling operation, pick a twist drill from the tool database and click OK. Once the machining is completed. In step number 3, watch the toolpath simulation. If you are satisfied with the toolpath, then, step number 4, select a machine on which you plan to cut this part, generate and print accurate cycle time sheet that will help you to make a winning job quotation specific to the machine you selected. Yes, it is as simple as that, just 4 simple steps to generate accurate cycle time sheet to make your job quotation. All done in 15 minutes. When you win the order, all you need to do is, 5th and the final step, click to generate a part program that will ensure that your cycle time is well within your job quotation. Don't worry, the program is error-free and tool collision-free. Just take the program to your machine and cut the part. No dry run or single block check is required to verify the program. Even a novice can learn how to use the software in just 3 hours. Finally, this software doesn't cost a bomb, like other programming software.